Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to check the spellings of words written in a Word document. In order to check spellings on whole of the document, friends, you know that it is very hard to check or correct spellings on a Word document if it is a long document. We have a utility, a shortcut or easy way to check the spellings on a Word document and then get them corrected automatically. So we have to go to Review tab. First of all, go to Review tab and then click on Spellings and Grammar. This will show you this. Open this from right side. This shows you that there are certain words whose spellings are not correct on the document. I will click on Change All. This has shown me that subscribe has wrong spelling. I want to correct all of the subscribe spellings on complete document. Change all. And then again there is a word geek, G-E-E-K. This spelling is wrong on the document. I will press change all and this has completed checking the spellings on the document. So friends, I hope you understand how to check spellings on your Word document in a go or with the shortcut command, that is spelling and grammar. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.